Our body is a wonder. It is built to heal itself. It always seeks wellness, but life can be tough. Stress wears us down daily. Bad food choices weaken us. Pollution adds to the load. Our body's defenses can tire. The healing system struggles. It sends signals. It calls for our help. This is where gentle support comes in, not harsh interventions always, but a kind, helping hand. Natural immunotherapy offers this. It respects the body's innate wisdom. It works in harmony with our systems. It guides the body back to its natural state of health. This is a path to real health, a journey we take together. What is natural immunotherapy? It is a way to help our immune system. Naturally, with nature's abundant gifts, it strengthens our body's own army so it can effectively fight illness. It builds our inner defenses. It is simple in its core idea, yet so profoundly powerful in action, a true ally for obtaining health and maintaining vibrant well-being. Traditional ways often fight symptoms with strong drugs or with surgery. These can save lives, yes, indeed, but may have harsh side effects and may not fix the deep root cause. The body can sometimes feel attacked. It needs a more holistic view, a complete and truly targeted approach. The main goal is to empower for a life full of vitality. Illness often has hidden deep roots. Too much chronic stress is a root. Poor food choices are definite roots. Toxins in our modern world too. These weaken our body's foundation. They slowly open the door to sickness. We must always look deeper, beyond the surface symptoms presented, to understand the real triggers. Natural immunotherapy seeks these roots. It digs patiently to find the cause. Chronic inflammation is a big one. It secretly fuels many diseases. This therapy gently calms that fire. With good, wholesome food, with peace, with important lifestyle changes, it carefully nurtures the body back to calm, allowing the body to repair. Nature provides these amazing boosters found in colorful fruits and vegetables. We see many amazing changes. People faced with very hard illness, feeling scared, often with few options. They bravely chose natural immunotherapy. They consciously changed how they ate, how they lived their life each day. They used nature's gentle helpers and found inspiring new strength. They rediscovered their own healing power. Their stories light the way for others. Think of Anna, a young woman. She had absolutely no energy left. Chronic fatigue held her captive. Doctors tried, but it stubbornly stayed. She ate anti-inflammatory foods daily. Slowly yet surely, light returned. Her body started to mend itself. She felt alive and vibrant again. These are true stories of real hope. Embrace this journey to wellness.